Hey, what's up guys? This is Garth Richards for MachineMinuteTips.com, the place to be to get all your VSTs, all your industry news, any tips and tricks on Machine Studio, Machine Micro. Go ahead, subscribe to the mailing list in the description box below. But today we're going to go ahead and show you how to automate a slowdown, a tempo change in Machine. It's so easy, you're going to love it. Let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the finished product. To achieve this, I used a plugin called Halftime. So you are going to need Halftime if you want to create this exact desired effect. I've left a link to Halftime in the description box below. However, for the sake of this video, I don't want it to be too long, so I'm not going to go into what Halftime does. So like I said, go check it out. It's in the description box below. With that being said, I'm gonna now just play this beat here, and you'll hear the beat actually slow down, and I'm automating it using my controller, my Mark II machine, my Micro Mark II controller. Okay. So I used the Micro Mark II to create this effect. So basically I held down Shift and I turned the encoder here, and that did allow me to control this and automate this parameter here, the loop length on Halftime. And so if I just open up Halftime here, if I can just automate, just play around with this, it basically just changes the loop length from 1/16 to 8 bars. So that's basically what I've done there. And so I'm going to show you how to do this right now. It's really easy. What you want to do is create a new group. So you create a new group, make sure you plug in, then you're going to add Halftime. So let's just apply Halftime. Where are you? Cable guys, Halftime. Now that you've done that, you go over to your first group that you want to automate, and then you're going to go to connections, and then the audio output, you're going to change it to, I've named it change tempo, and that's where Halftime is. So I'm going to do the same for drums. I'm just going to go through all the groups and just do the same here. Flute, the ride. So that's it. So I've got 6 of my sounds, or 6 of my groups going. The output of their audio is going to the input of Halftime, which is on this group here. And as you can see, Halftime is there. Okay, now that we've got it all set up, let's go ahead and automate this section of the beat. Using your computer's keyboard and trackpad. You can use your controller, but I'm just going to show you how to do it 2 ways. This way is using your computer's keyboard and trackpad or mouse. So basically you want to hover over the knob that you want to automate, needs to turn grey or highlight, click and hold down, and then play back your beat, and then automate wherever you want it to happen. So that's just one way of doing it. Very simple, very easy. Another way is using your your controller. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to first go into the automation lane, which is here, and then I'm going to delete that automation, and then let's just go over to let's go over to my controller, and now I'm going to do the same thing. So we're going to automate that section of the track, but we're going to hold down shift, and I'm going to turn the controller, the encoder knob, wherever I want the automation to occur. Holding down the shift basically means it puts it into write mode. So you're writing in the automation, and so that machine will keep it recorded. It will record it and play it back. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that now. So it's as easy as that. It's a bit tricky at first to get it right, so you're gonna have to take a few tries to get it right. But that is a way how you can automate a slowdown or a tempo change or a signature change in your beats using halftime plugin. There are other plugins out there that I suppose can probably do the same thing or similar thing, but for this tutorial, for this example, I use halftime. Link for halftime is in the description box below. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, go ahead, like this video, subscribe if you can, and also check out my mailing list. I have tips like this, industry news, free VSTs weekly. So yeah, go ahead, you subscribe to my mailing list also. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next one.